This is an area where stiles were cut off because it called for a 32-inch sink. The cut is right here to right here. This used to be a wood style support that went all the way through. Similarly, on the other side, notice the cut here. From here to here, the stile support was cut to allow for an enlarged sink. As a result, there is no support of the granite slab that now rests and rests freely without any support and only is held up by the sink. This is the dishwasher. And here's the junction. Here's the junction. And notice free floating granite on top of the sink, absent supporting wood stile strut. Other type of work at the margin next to the refrigerator. We're going up now to the top of the cabinets. This is a microwave oven. Here is the exhaust outlet. Notice the duct tape and notice the ducting. The ducting is inappropriate and a fire hazard. When the duct motor exhaust is turned on, the stream of air goes in and not out. Notice the workmanship inside the cabinets. This cabinet was finished because we had ordered glass doors on the front. This cabinet is false because the original duct was not taken into consideration. This was the original outlet vent that had to be rerouted. The important thing to note here now is how this top tier cabinet and modules have been hung. Notice the margin of error and the tilt. It is completely uneven. There is from 2 to 3 inches gap between the molding and the ceiling. This is because the cabinets were improperly hung. I have been told that this molding has been put up in air and may be upside down. That is part of ongoing investigation. Notice the quality of the wood screws and the interior finish of these cabinets. Notice the wood screws and how this cabinet was hung. This is the refrigerator. Notice the workmanship in this cabinet. Two gaping holes, no screws, uneven screws, holes, uneven screws. And notice that the molding now hugs the ceiling. Notice the alignment of this open door with respect to the refrigerator. Notice this door cannot swing out beyond this because the door has been placed too near the refrigerator. This cabinet module tilts away from the refrigerator and is uneven. This cabinet is interesting. No doors were hung, and as was specified before, the reason is because the cabinet was mismeasured and cut here. Doors and brackets and hinges could not be applied, and the door would not swing open. This cabinet has to be removed and reconstructed so that door hinges and supporting structures can be applied so the door can swing out properly. Again, notice the workmanship. Tile floor, condiment drawer, plastic Lazy Susan, extends in towards the wall. Unfinished electrical, dishwasher, and gap between the granite